Yo guys, Mikko here. For today's video, we will unboxing our processor, which is Ryzen 5 5600G that I bought on Shopee. So let's start this. Let's go. So this is the actual processor, which is Ryzen 5 5600G with integrated graphics, and this one is its pan, which is also a AMD brand. So that's it guys. Hope you enjoyed this video, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos like this. If you want to know the price of the product, I will put it below the description guys, product price and also the link of it. That's it guys. Bye bye, thank you.